I work as a chief technologist at a pharmaceutical plant in Voronezh. 6 months ago, the management of our company included in the production development plan the development of a new product, cold and flu medications in capsules. To organize the process, it was necessary to purchase equipment and obtain documents for product certification. During the production process, the capsule comes into contact with powder residue. As a result, a dusty film forms on the surface of the capsules. This dust makes it difficult for the blistering and filling machine to operate, and the dusty capsules have difficulty covering the shells. A colleague from another plant recommended that I purchase a compact unit to polish and remove dust from the surface of the capsules. The first thing I did was to contact the equipment supplier, with whom we had been cooperating for many years. The quality and performance of our offered equipment suited us, so we decided to consider this manufacturer. I found out the phone number of the company in the sales department, and I contacted the manager. The specialist who spoke to me told me that this equipment is out of stock. I was looking for a machine that was as efficient as possible, safe for the worker, made of durable material. The machine should be compact in overall dimensions and easy to operate. I started my search for polishing and dust removal equipment with the confidence that I would immediately find the necessary equipment. I decided to have a look and compare manufacturers of machines in Europe and China. I searched through the internet. I chose according to geographic location, delivery terms, price range. Among the quality European manufacturers, I found 3 companies, which offered good machines, but requested a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen options, because of the high cost, and would send me to search again. I then searched for equipment for polishing and removing dust from the capsule surface from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 4 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced for 6 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 6 months didn't satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our staff can speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on an interpreter, so it was decided not to buy the car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of finding equipment for polishing and dusting capsules on my own, so I turned to an intermediary specialist. I had an idea what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. I chose several intermediaries on the internet, 1 from China and 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. The length of their work in the market for supplying pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of their prices were of great importance. At first I called the Chinese intermediary. His presented price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery and installation of equipment. The total amount of the order was much higher than what was shown on the site. I was not satisfied. The specialist told me about the capabilities of the machine, sent me a video clip by email, and cited the experience of past customers. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later, we made a contract for the delivery of the capsule dedusting machine with a metal detector. The machine was delivered on time. It was compact, economical, and easy to operate. The equipment consists of 2 machines, a high-speed dedusting machine, and a metal detector. Capsules are loaded into a special funnel, then cleaned and passed through the metal detector, where they are checked for metal foreign particles. The cleaned capsules are collected in a transparent beaker, built into the metal detector. We were pleased with the capsule deduster recommended and supplied by a specialist from a company in Moscow. I plan to apply to the manager of this company for advice and purchase of other equipment to organize the production of cold and flu pills, and I am confident that he will pick up high-quality equipment. Experience has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, consulting a specialist will accelerate the solution of the problem and free up time to be spent to your benefit.